so excited right now because my luggage setup, it's perfect. The reason why I'm getting GoPro Hero 7 is because... Is this your usual spot? Big thanks to him actually. It's rare to find things like this. Sakudo, Saku. Bro, Aram bro. Nino? What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited right now because I'm riding to Bangalore all set up. I think this is probably the first time I'm leaving so early. Every time I plan to leave at 5 o'clock, just delays to 6 o'clock or 6:30 a.m. in the morning. But right now it's pitch dark, as you guys can see, and I'm out here riding, boys. Let's go. I hope you guys can hear how the bike sounds right now. I have a good vibe for this ride.
It's false. No way. Not this time.
My luggage setup, it's perfect. Trying a whole different route this time. I've tried Palakkad route and I've tried Kumili, Theni, Kambam, I don't know for what goddamn reason. And this time I'm trying out the Tengashi, Madurai, and then towards Bangalore. So it's just about like 300 kilometers of mixed road conditions, most of it being ghats. So we are going towards Tenmala. As you guys can see on the map, it's full on curvy roads, which I'm enjoying, by the way. Perfect roads, perfect curves. Let's go. Loving it. There you go. This is where my GoPro gave up on me and I just decided to not record anything further and just focus on my ride instead. The next day in Bangalore I decided to buy a new GoPro Hero 7 Black, and also I'm considering this to be my first bad omen of the ride, so there you go. The time is 7:30. I'm heading to Langford town to collect the new camera, by the way. A GoPro Hero 7 from G2 Products. You guys might know him from Instagram. It's basically a new camera. It's not been used by anyone. I think it's an old stock or something like that. He's done the quality check and everything, and he says that it's good to go. So that's why I'm getting it from him. The reason why I'm getting GoPro Hero 7 is because I've been using a GoPro Hero 7 for 2 years right now, and I haven't had any kind of issues. Very few bugs as such. Maybe it turning off when it's heating up.
Motor vlog is on, huh?
Yeah, it is. Are you okay with that? Is this your usual spot? Is this your usual spot?
Yeah.
Hello, this is a mic test. And I'm stuck in traffic. So I've got the new camera. I couldn't record the camera buying ceremony. We were just talking. He's a nice guy. His name is Gopal from G2 Products, and I'm currently recording with my new GoPro Hero 7. Thanks to G2 Products. It was a sealed pack. Big thanks to him actually. It's rare to find things like this. If you guys want used GoPros as well as new ones, G2 Products is the way to go, because I've never seen any kind of dealers doing this in Bangalore apart from all these big showrooms like Chroma, Reliance Digital and stuff like that, but you don't get used GoPros over there. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟನೇ. ಸಾಕು ಬಿಡು, ಸಾಕು. ಯಾಕೋ ಓ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಬ್ರೋ, ಆರಾಮ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ನೀನು? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾನ್ಸೂನ್ ರೈಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ 3 ಜನ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಮಿರರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಯಾ?
ಅದು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಬೀಳ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ಮಿರರ್ ಹೊಡೆದಾಯ್ತು.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ.
ಓಕೆ, ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ಸರಿ ಬ್ರೋ, ಬಾಯ್ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಸರ್,
ಬಾಯ್. What's up everybody, good morning. But this time only both of us, he's not coming. Welcome back to another chapter, like I always say. I swear we are having the time of our life, man. Right now the time is 4:28. Yep, we're a bit early today. I had to wake up at freaking 2:30, man. Mangalore, let's go. ಹೈವೇ. ಓ ದ ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ಅವೇ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೊಂದೇ ರೋಡ್ ತಾನೆ ಇವಾಗ?
ಒಂದೇ ರೋಡು. ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಅದು? ತುಮಕೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ?
ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು ನಾವು ಟಿಪ್ ಟೂರ್ ತಾನೇ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಟಿಪ್ ಟೂರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಡಿಯೂರು ತನಕ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. The moon boys.